So I was coughing for the last 3 to 4 days, and also I'm coughing right now, and I can't get enough sleep because of this. So I've been coughing a lot, and it actually woke me up. So as far as I know, there are more than 4 types of coughs, but this time I'm going to talk about four types. So其實咳到醒啊，基本上呢幾日都咳得好緊要。瞓得唔好，咁就為啲食咗啲止咳丸啊。So the first word is cough syrup. So that's like 咳藥水, okay? That's the first one that you could think of, and don't get abused to that. That means like 唔好過度，即係唔好濫用咗咳藥水啦，因為變咗一種即係唔好有 addicted. Don't get addicted. 唔好上癮啦。So I don't like cough syrups at all. I actually hate them. So I'd rather take pills. Pills are 藥丸. And yeah, so can't really sleep at all. So if you ask me, do I have any mucus? Actually, I don't. I don't have any mucus at all. Mucus tan, okay? And there's like four more types, but I'm going to talk about 4 types of coughs. One is whooping, and there's another one, dry coughs, wet, or call it productive coughs. The last one, it's wait, what do you call that? Croup or something? I forgot. So 主要有4種，即係其實有4種，仲多過4種嘅咳嘅聲音，你可以判斷得到一個人有咩病啊咁。但我而家講4種啦。咁一個係 wet cough， 一個係 dry cough， 一個係whooping， 一個係wait, was that Croup or something? 我唔係好記得啦，因為我而家都好唔舒服。咁 wet cough 都可以叫做 productive cough 嘅。咁我冇話去特別研究咩 cough， 我自己就總之已經好唔舒服咳到。So whatever I'm posting right now, I just want to make it informative or entertaining, whatever it is. I want to serve a purpose on the page rather than just having like something about my life, because I don't really care like what people do, and I don't think people care about what I do anyway. So yeah, just to let you know, there's like a little bit that you can learn from it rather than just seeing me cough all the time. Okay? Alright, so I guess I need to go to the doctor's very soon, and I need to wear a mask when I go to work or when I'm in class. So I hope others won't get their coughs from me too. So anyway, I gotta hop back to bed and see if I can go back to sleep, because it's still a little bit too early for me. Cheers.